The state design pattern is a powerful tool in the world of software engineering, providing a structured approach to managing the behavior of objects in different states. At its core, the state pattern allows an object to alter its behavior when its internal state changes, without modifying its class. This promotes flexibility, modularity, and scalability in software systems. Imagine a vending machine that dispenses different products based on its current state, whether it's ready, out of stock, or dispensing. With the state pattern, we can define separate state classes for each state, encapsulating the behavior associated with that state. This allows the vending machine to transition seamlessly between states, adapting its behavior dynamically based on user interactions. By decoupling state-specific behavior from the context object, the state pattern promotes code reuse and simplifies maintenance. It also enables the addition of new states and transitions with minimal impact on existing code, making it ideal for complex systems with evolving requirements. In summary, the state design pattern provides an elegant solution for managing state-dependent behavior in object-oriented systems. Whether you're building vending machines, traffic lights, or complex software applications, the state pattern can help you design more flexible, modular, and maintainable code.